Okay, good evening, Cubby. I just wanted to show you our two puppies here with Kishore. Okay, bring the puppies out. Okay, this is, look, show her back. She's speckled. Kishore, yeah, there you go. She's speckled, so she is Frida. The other one is Greta. See how they love Kishore? They're kissing him. Yeah, you see those two little puppy dogs? They're very busy little puppies, busy all the time, and they get into lots of trouble. Especially, you see that trash can over there? They love to get into the trash can, but we don't let them get into it. Then they love to tussle with each other. You see how they're fighting? They're not really fighting, they're just playing with each other. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.
Come on. Yeah. Okay, come on.